Hey everyone, welcome back to Consumer Heaven. With Labor Day here, Amazon is rolling out some amazing kitchen deals. And if you've been thinking about upgrading your cooking game, now is the perfect time. One of the best appliances you can add to your kitchen is an air fryer. It's healthier than deep frying, faster than a traditional oven, and versatile enough to handle everything from crispy French fries to tender chicken, roasted veggies, and even desserts. And the best part? This Labor Day, some of the top-rated air fryers are heavily discounted. So in today's video, I'm counting down the top 5 Labor Day air fryer deals on Amazon, showing you what makes each one special, and of course, the original price versus the discounted price, so you know the real savings. Let's get started. Number 5. Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer AF141. The Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer is a great choice if you want a reliable, mid-sized unit that covers all the basics and then some. With a 5-quart capacity, it's large enough to fit up to 4 pounds of French fries, which means you can cook snacks or dinner for the whole family without needing multiple batches. What makes this fryer versatile is its 4 cooking functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. That means it's not just for fries and wings. You can roast vegetables, reheat leftovers without them turning soggy, or even dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. The 400-degree F max temperature ensures crispy, golden results every single time. On top of that, the non-stick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is super easy. Plus, the compact design means it doesn't hog too much counter space. The best part? Normally priced at $129.99, this Labor Day you can grab it for just $89.99, a huge 31% discount, a solid deal for a brand like Ninja. Number 4. Cosori 9-in-1 6-quart Air Fryer. Next up is the Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer, and this one is for anyone who wants more cooking options in a single machine. It has a generous 6-quart capacity, which makes it great for medium-sized families. The standout feature here is the Turbo Blaze technology, which uses a powerful motor and precise temperature control to cook food evenly and up to 46% faster than traditional air fryers. With a wide range of 90 degrees to 450 degrees, you get more flexibility for different recipes. The 9 preset functions make this unit incredibly versatile. You can air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, cook frozen foods, and even proof dough for bread. It's like having a mini oven with turbo speed right on your countertop. The ceramic-coated basket is another big plus. It's non-stick, BPA-free, and dishwasher safe, meaning it's both safe for your health and easy to clean. This one usually sells for $119.99, but thanks to Labor Day discounts, it's only $89.95 right now, saving you 25%. A fantastic deal for a multifunctional, durable air fryer. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Smart XL Air Fryer DZ550. If you've got a big family or you love cooking multiple things at once, the Ninja Foodi 10QT Dual Zone Smart XL is a game changer. This model comes with 2 independent 5-quart baskets, so you can cook 2 completely different foods at the same time, maybe chicken wings in one and fries in the other. What sets it apart are the Smart Finish and Match Cook features. Smart Finish lets you program different foods and ensures they both finish cooking at the same time, so your meal comes out hot and ready together. Match Cook lets you sync both baskets for larger batches of the same food. It also comes with a built-in Smart Cook thermometer, which takes the guesswork out of cooking meat. You can choose the doneness you want, and the fryer automatically adjusts to cook it perfectly. With 6 cooking functions, air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, reheat, and broil, it's one of the most versatile models out there. Normally, this premium unit is $249.99, but for Labor Day, it's down to $199.99. That's a solid $50 savings on a top-of-the-line air fryer designed for serious home cooks. Number 2. Chefman 2-quart Mini Digital Air Fryer. For anyone living in a smaller space, whether it's an apartment, dorm, or just a kitchen without much counter room, the Chefman 2-quart Mini Digital Air Fryer is a perfect fit. Even though it's compact, it doesn't skimp on features. It comes with a digital display, adjustable temperature control, and a timer. The shake reminder is especially helpful for making sure your food cooks evenly. No more guessing when to toss the basket. The 2-quart basket is non-stick and dishwasher safe, making cleanup fast and easy. It's great for quick snacks like fries, nuggets, or reheating leftovers. And because of its small footprint, it stores away easily when not in use. Normally retailing at $59.99, it's now on sale for $44.99, which is a 25% discount. A great entry-level pick if you want a small but capable air fryer. Number 1. Dash Tasty-Crips 2.6-quart air fryer. Last but not least is the Dash Tasty-Crips 2.6 QT air fryer, another compact option that's especially good for individuals, couples, or anyone tight on space. It has a slightly larger capacity than the Chefman at 2.6 quarts, making it a bit more versatile while still lightweight and easy to move around. The digital controls make it simple to set time and temperature, and the auto shutoff feature provides extra safety by preventing overcooking or overheating. This fryer is designed with simplicity in mind. You just load your food, set your timer, and let it work. Despite being compact, it has a 1,000-watt heating system, so your food comes out crispy without the weight. Regularly priced at $59.99, you can grab it this Labor Day for $49.99, giving you a 17% discount. Perfect if you want a no-fuss air fryer that just works. And that wraps up the top 5 Labor Day air fryer deals on Amazon. Whether you're looking for a compact model for snacks or a powerful dual basket fryer for family meals, there's a deal here that fits your needs and budget. Remember, Labor Day is one of the biggest sales weekends for kitchen appliances, and these discounts won't last long. So if you see one you like, definitely check the links in the description and grab it while the deal is still live. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our kitchen tips, reviews, and deal roundups. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!